Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to set tone photo wallpaper in Messenger chat. Okay, let's start. First, open your Play Store and now tap on taskbar icon. Search for Messenger apps. Messenger apps is already updated. Go back. First, open your Messenger apps. Now tap on chat option. Now tap on chat. Now tap on theme. Now select your upload as image option. Select your photo. Now tap on save. Now tap on select option. By doing this process, you can easily how to set tone photo wallpaper in Messenger. Thank you.